Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Sheets not syncing. If Google Sheets isn't syncing your changes or showing the latest data, try these fixes. So first, go to your settings and go to Wi-Fi. So check your internet connection, make sure your device has a stable internet connection. You can switch to another network, or you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router. Then go back to Google Sheets, then try again and see if that works. Next is to refresh Google Sheets. So a temporary browser or app issue can prevent changes from syncing. So close the Sheets app completely, swipe it up and swipe it away, then reopen it and see if that works. Next, make sure you're using the correct Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts signed in, you may be viewing a different copy of the spreadsheet. So you can click your profile picture at the top right corner and confirm you're using the account that has access to the correct Google Sheet. Next, you can go to your settings, then scroll down and go to General, then go to Software Update. Make sure your device is using the latest version. Now let's go back to the last page, then let's select iPhone storage, then scroll down from here and open Google Sheet. Then select Offload App, so this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. Then click Reinstall App to place back your data. So once this is done, reopen Google Sheets and see if that works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.